Did you know that the secret to youthful, glowing skin might be hiding in your pantry? These 4 super seeds could help slow down the aging process, reduce wrinkles, and boost hydration, naturally. In today's video, we'll not only reveal these incredible seeds, but also show you how they work to improve your skin, and how, when, and how much to use for the best results. Plus, we've got a valuable bonus tip at the end that you won't want to miss, so be sure to watch the whole video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means the world and helps us bring you more life-changing tips. Flaxseeds. First up, flaxseeds. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation in the body, one of the leading causes of skin aging. Omega-3s protect your skin by fighting oxidative stress, keeping your skin hydrated, and promoting a youthful glow. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which have antioxidant properties that help combat fine lines and wrinkles. You should incorporate flax seeds during the first half of your day to support skin hydration. Consuming flax seeds early will also help with digestion and give your skin that natural glow throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to consume 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds daily. For maximum absorption, always grind your flax seeds before eating them. Whole flax seeds are hard for your body to digest. You can add them to your morning smoothie, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or even mix them into yogurt. I love adding them to my smoothies because it's such an easy way to sneak in extra nutrients without any hassle. Chia seeds. Next, we have chia seeds. These little wonders are full of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats that are crucial for skin hydration. Chia seeds can absorb up to 10 times their weight in water, making them excellent for keeping your skin plump and moisturized. They are packed with omega-3s and calcium, both of which support skin elasticity and reduce the visible signs of aging. By keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out, chia seeds help fight dry skin and wrinkles. Chia seeds are great for your skin, especially during the morning or as a nighttime snack. They hydrate your skin throughout the day and support collagen production overnight. You only need 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily to reap the benefits. The best way to use chia seeds is by soaking them overnight. This turns them into a gel-like consistency, which can be used in chia pudding, smoothies, or as an addition to your water bottle for an extra hydration boost. Pumpkin seeds. Now let's talk about pumpkin seeds. These seeds are a fantastic source of zinc, a mineral that is vital for skin regeneration and collagen production. Zinc helps repair damaged skin cells and keeps your skin firm and elastic. It also supports your immune system, which is important for maintaining overall health, including skin health. By incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet, you're not just helping your skin, but also protecting it from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. You can enjoy pumpkin seeds as a snack anytime, but they're especially great in the afternoon or evening. Their zinc content helps with collagen production while you sleep, making your skin look rejuvenated the next morning. A small handful, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds per day is enough to support your skin health. Pumpkin seeds are versatile. You can eat them raw, roasted, or even add them to salads, smoothies, or homemade granola bars. They make for a great snack that's easy to carry around and munch on during the day. Hemp seeds. Last, but certainly not least, we have hemp seeds. These seeds are rich in plant-based protein and essential fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, which are important for reducing skin inflammation and improving skin elasticity. Hemp seeds also contain gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an anti-inflammatory compound that helps maintain moisture and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. By incorporating hemp seeds into your diet, you're giving your skin the building blocks it needs to stay youthful and hydrated. You can use hemp seeds any time of day, but I recommend adding them to your breakfast or lunch to fuel your skin throughout the day. Hemp seeds are easy to add to your diet without disrupting your routine. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds daily will provide the necessary nutrients for anti-aging benefits. Hemp seeds are incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on top of salads, mix them into smoothies, or add them to your morning oatmeal. I like adding them to my smoothies, as they blend well and provide a creamy texture. Bonus tip. Here's a bonus tip for you. If you want to maximize the anti-aging benefits, try combining all 4 of these seeds into a daily mix. You can mix flax, chia, pumpkin, and hemp seeds into a nutrient-packed blend. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons of this seed mix each day can provide your skin with a powerful dose of healthy fats, antioxidants, and essential minerals. It's the perfect natural anti-aging snack. So, there you have it. 4 amazing seeds that can help you fight the signs of aging naturally. Flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, and hemp seeds are all simple, easy additions to your daily routine that can help your skin stay youthful, radiant, and healthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pro Health Insight for more tips on living your healthiest life. And be sure to check out our next video, where we'll dive into the top anti-aging herbs you should add to your routine. You won't want to miss it.